G'day, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Basically a practice parcel. Get the feel for cutting boulders. These little pieces broken off bigger pieces, and big pieces of boulder rather. The rules in millimetres, materials being wetted. I don't know which field they came from, unfortunately. Okay, just using this to compare pieces. Like I say, there, it's low grade mine run if you want to classify it. Basically little faces, some of the pieces have veins. I'm just picking up these randomly. Looks like this has little veins in it. Maybe grind down the top there and just have a patterns of opal. Other pieces I dare say that I'll pick up haven't got much at all in it. Like I say, these have been broken off larger boulders. I think like that piece hasn't got much in it. Fairly sort of weathered perhaps. Piece like that you could grind down and maybe just use it as a nice pattern. It's just got dusting of colour on it. Won't be able to polish that. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at that. It's basically going to cost you a bit more than freight. Cheers.